welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna get the Translator in Bee Swarm, and also, sorry about this voice, I don't know why I have it. Okay, so, we,
So the limits of language. We finished the limits of language for Science Bear. And that means we get the translator.
Also, today's gonna be a double upload for Fortnite, Season 7.
Okay, fascinating. So there are at least 25 types of bees.
Really? Wait, how did you find that out?
And an insightful breakdown of nonverbal communication methods of ants. By studying these, I believe I can unlock some potential in your swarm. Thinking. Aha, there we go. From here on out, your bees will be able to convert 25% more pollen to honey at any time. That brings the conversion efficiency bonus to 525%. And more importantly, I believe I know now just what I need to complete this. My first working translator. With this device, you may be able to communicate with new creatures. But keep in mind, once you give it to someone, the decision is permanent. If you complete 5 more quests, I may be able to create another. Oh, man.
5 more is not that hard.
Please give it a test. I am anxious to see how it performs.
Also, I gotta get this done. I missed it. Okay, so we are going to go to the werewolf place to give it to the red bee.
Which bee?
The red. He said red.
The red bee? Okay.
The red, which is over here, and I can reach with our cool new for good. Wait. Oh, geez, I just got stuck. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna do a double upload today. I don't know if I said that. Yeah, it's play the ball, play with the ball, play with the ball. Oh. Sorry. Sorry, Puppy Bee, but we have to go.
Where are you going?
It's canon because it will be more quicker. Don't worry, trust me with this.
Oh, I see. Is this how you get places?
Yeah, I get here a lot. That's how I get here a lot. Ooh. There we go. The bee. Buzz buzz.
Gifted Riley bee. Buzz buzz. Buzz buzz buzz. Gifted Riley bee is speaking in buzzes. Okay, give translator to gifted. Yeah, that one, top one. Get this thing out of my face. Seriously, that's what he says. Whoa, you understood me? I'm speaking with a beekeeper? That's radder than a rad bee. I'm Riley Bee, leader of the Red Bees. And this is the Red headquarters. Here, the Red Bees and I coordinate, plan, train, and strategize. We discover how to boost the red flower fields. We've developed highly advanced red guards. That's why we're the best. Red rocks. Blue just can't keep up. You look like a promising red beekeeper. But to truly become a red master, you'll need some guidance. Complete my quest and I'll reward you with some red extracts. Those can be used to boost your red pollen collection, or to craft some of our state-of-the-art red equipment. Each time you perform a quest for me, they'll become more difficult. But every once in a while, you may just earn yourself some righteous rewards. Sound good? Okay, talk to me again when you're ready to start. Okay, talk to him again.
Okay, so now we have this.
Talk to him again.
Now we have the Riley bee.
Can't stand this cold. You know, us here in the Red HQ, we're all about the heat. But you know what? I'd be lying if I said it didn't look pretty. But you know, whoa. Give present to Riley Bee? Hey, give present to Riley Bee. Get out. Ah, I see I was right when I took you to be a fine beekeeper. And a good person, too. So, what do you get me? Right on, it's a strawberry-scented air freshener. The kind you hang on the rear view mirror of your car.
Wait,
I don't have a car. No, I don't have a car, and I can't smell it very well out here. But I love it. Here, this is for you, Mary Beesmas from the Red Bees at the Red Bee headquarters. What did he give you? Red extract.
Wait, oh look, he gave us this missing.
Oh.
And he gave us this weird bamboo that looks like something.
Did we get any quests? Oh. Did he give us a quest yet?
Hey, look.
Okay, go back.
We have 2 of these.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, so we can give it to the stick.
Red rocks. All right. Okay, click. It's time for another red-related quest. Complete it, and you'll be one step closer to becoming a red master. And you'll earn yourself a red extract. Red extracts boost red pollen by 1.25 for 10 minutes.
Wait a minute, I think our game just glitched out and this made us complete the first quest. Because he said, oh right, time for another quest.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
So, yeah.
And they're used to craft some radical red equipment. After 5 quests, I'll give you a bonus. And every once in a while, that may be huge.
Whoa.
I've loaded the next quest into your quest menu. Get it done and report back. Cool, what quest did he give you?
By the way, we have 2 presents.
Yeah, for the other bees.
You mean the stick bug also?
Yeah.
And the stick bug is not a bee.
Okay, say goodbye.
Wait, what does he say though?
Oh, it's red ability token, strawberry field, and the rose field.
Okay.
So it was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Alright, say goodbye, Logan.
But look how much red tokens you need to collect.
Well, yeah, that'll take a little while.
Yeah. Okay, see you guys in the double upload today. Because we're doing a Fortnite upload a little while later. Bye, guys. See ya later.